I knew I had some time to try to get some space rather than just catch and shoot the ball. But I ended up catching it and just trying to get to a space so I get the shot off, like you said, and B was guarding me. He's taller, longer than me, so, end up finding a spot that I, like, that I work on. I end up getting to a spot, and I just knew I had to shoot it high. That's something I never experienced before, Game 7, game-winning shot. So it was, a blessing to just be able to, get to that point and make that shot and feel that moment. And it's something, I could look back on in my career.
It was cool. It was all the fans, the team, everybody around. It was crazy. It was a good, emotional moment for everybody to be there, and just kind of like a sigh of relief and enjoyment, like a whew. And it was great. It was one of the moments where it's like a real life game winner, Game 7, counted down when you back home, and everyone was celebrating like that. It was a pretty awesome moment.
It didn't surprise me that it went in. When it hits at that angle and goes kind of straight up, you feel like there is a chance it's actually going to go in. And when it went up, not to pretend like you can forecast anything, it didn't surprise me that it ended up falling in. It did seem like it was up there for a while, but with the way he missed and the bounce of the ball and the fact that it did go straight up and not, go to the right or the left, it's a tough way to lose. That's a hell of a win. That's a tough shot, and what a tremendous series.
I thought we played a very, very good, hot Orlando team, and if we get through, it would make us better. And this was a very, very good team with unbelievable offensive firepower, size, talent. And we obviously grew, or are continuing to grow through advancing through this series. All I really care about now is these guys enjoying this for a few hours tonight and then getting their game faces locked back in to prepare for the next round.